we're good.
Alright, what's going on, guys? My name's Alex Whittick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today is an awesome day. I'm super excited. We are heading on over to my buddy Dean's shop. We're getting this car to get in alignment and we're gonna get this stance boy sitting right, and I'm super hyped for it because I eat through tires like no other. This car used to hold in alignment really well. String alignments did a pretty good job. I'd get about 900 miles out of tires, but recently I just can't get it right, and the alignment just falls apart, and I only get about 150 miles out of a set of tires. So we're gonna head on over to this alignment rack. So let's hop into Tilt TDI. Make sure you guys are subscribed, hit your post notification bell so you know when I post. Follow my Instagram at tilt_TDI. And if you've done all the steps, comment down below because we're gonna be doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway, guys. So I'm super hyped. Let's hop into Tilt TDI and let's head on over. Turns are absolutely awesome, and it gives me a good feel for these wheels again. And they're definitely not as good at handling as the stocks because they can't have all the grip like the stocks do. But it's still really nice. We're gonna pull up on Dean in a minute, so I'll see you guys at the shop. And just like that, just pulled up to Dean's shop. Little good old Mavis discount tire. The man, the myth, the legend. My buddy Dean, what's going on?
Am I on the vlog, bro?
He's on the vlog. Tag DF is his Instagram. I'm gonna throw it on the screen right here, and we're about to get this car aligned. How you doing, bud?
Good, man. Busy. I'm gonna have you park it up in there.
I gotta go in there, pay the man, and Dean's gonna align this car. They're about to come grab the car. I just gotta get all my alignment gotta get all my tire pressures all set up, and then Dean's gonna come over and grab the car. I walked in there without a face mask, so I had to do this. And then he's like, oh, we're gonna come grab your keys. So I don't think I can even film in there. I can still film from the outside, so it's really no big deal. But funny story about Dean, actually, before he actually takes the car away. He actually was like one of the first people I ever met at a car meet before. He had this Volkswagen CC back in the day. And I'd say about every single week it had some kind of different iteration, maybe a wide body this week. It was honestly crazy. Kid was always touching his car, always doing stuff to it, and it was really cool. He has a Subaru WRX, which is really sick, and it's static. It's on 32K springs, and it's really cool, but it was his daily, and you know, in all car people fashion, Dean had to get a daily for his daily. So now he's got this red Forester over here, and if you guys live in New Jersey, New York, any of those areas, Dean definitely travels too. He's an amazing photographer, and that's what he does in his off time, and I obviously know he would love to do that more than he would love to do this. So he definitely believes in his work, and if you guys are interested in pictures, definitely shoot him a DM on Instagram and he'll get you guys sitting right. He's always taking great pictures, and yeah. I've never seen anyone drive it before. It's so funny. It's so ignorant.
I love it.
It's a daily. I filled it up like 40 miles ago. It's already at I already lost a quarter of a tank.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's crazy. Dean's getting the alignment rack all set up. Who's better than Dean? Nobody. Nobody. Dean's got all four of them on right now. He's tightening up the last one. Got the laser beams ready to go. I've never actually found out what the actual camber is or what my toe is for my string alignment, so I'm really curious to see. The back tires actually last about 1,200 miles, and the front tires only last maybe 400, so it's a real shame. I could never really get the alignment right after the first time I did it, and we're about to find out. I'm really excited to actually get a toe that I'll be able to drive the car kind of daily because I eat through tires and it really sucks. And the camber, I've always thought it was like 16.5. I guess we'll find out, and I won't lie to you guys about the numbers. So we'll get the spreadsheet, we'll get everything figured out, and we'll get ripping. We got this guy out here showing his, oh yeah, got all the yee-yees, honking the horns. Oh, yee, brother, let me tell you. Tina's just killing it under there right now. Zero toe. The man's knows zero toe. We are gonna be driving straight as an arrow down this road. I'm super hyped. And Dean's actually gonna be done real shortly, a couple minutes, and we'll be off the rack. We got my boy Andrew down there on the block. Andrew. There we go, Dean's taking the last one off.
It's all good to go, baby.
Oof. Guys, make sure you hit up Dean on Instagram. Get those pictures, get your alignments. I'm super hyped, and we're about to get this thing off the lift. About to drop this thing down, so let's see it. Icy, I'm seeing some good straight lines. Gotta get this thing off the lift. Man, even this side looks so good. The fitment is so tight, but I mean, we should just go static at this point, tuck all the way around. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think I should just get some 50K springs for this setup and just send it. I mean, we're basically about to tuck anyway. The fact that this thing just started, he had the brake lights on the entire time he's doing the alignment, the battery would usually die, but for some reason it didn't. Look at this treat that just popped up. No way. What's going on, cutie pie?
Dude, what are you filming me?
I'm filming him. Andrew doesn't like to be on camera, but he's getting filmed. I just saw you pass by, but I'm happy you stopped by. Ooh, Andrew, Aaron are out. And look at the tuck on the front of this thing. That's just insane. That's wild.
I finished my trunk.
Homie went to Dunkin'?
I went to Dunkin'.
You got a trunk set up?
Finished it.
Let's see it.
I haven't seen this thing yet.
Ooh, okay. Nice, and you got a little sound set up?
I built a custom box under the hardwood for the sub.
Damn, and he's got the freaking wooden trunk, not even vinyl. I'm impressed, dude.
Oh yeah, dude. It looks
Nice, he even got the sub. This thing is sick, dude.
getting there.
I haven't seen this
I do
setup
gotta
yet.
ask you.
Guys, I'm heading out of here right now. Dean and I are gonna do our little foot kick.
That was good.
Yo, stay safe. Stay safe, bud. It was amazing seeing you. I love you. Andrew and I are gonna head out to his house right now. What a turd. What a turd.
I ditched the box on the intake too.
Life of a Subaru owner. Are you kidding me right now?
Bro. Oh, dude, we're good. We are golden. Look at that. Golden yellow, beautiful.
You're lucky your dipstick doesn't push out. Mine sometimes does.
It did twice.
That's so funny. This is the prime example of a Stan's car right here. You know, this is what I used to do. Oh, it doesn't show up on the camera that much. But yeah, guys, I always have a paint marker on hand.
Yeah, I do. I have like 3 in the glove box. Just in case.
No, it looks good. It literally doesn't even like show up on camera. And look at that front fitment.
Bro, this is the only one.
Got the wing on my car now. Ooh, would you look at that? Drive right through. What's on your phone, Andrew?
Who is this guy?
Andrew, who's calling you?
I don't know, bro.
The Netherlands?
Let's see. Hello?
Welcome to Chase Car Service.
Oh, sick.
The Netherlands? Chase Cars is in the Netherlands?
What?
Whose man's? Oh, it's a girl in that thing. It's a freaking girl. What the hell? Yo, who is that? Throw them down in the comments. Ooh. Andrew's sister? She's not available. She's got a boyfriend, but she's got a really clean Mark V and she just cut that person off. Oh my God.
Is she not the best driver?
The car's clean though. She's not the best driver, but the car's clean.
Got the titanium tips.
Beautiful.
I respect it.
Even though he has a Subaru, Andrew over here
I can respect it.
respects the Golf R, and that thing's bagged, or it's static. It's something. Hey, it's my buddy Kevin's old truck. Good old 6 blow, baby. The good old 6 blow. Guys, Andrew's hitting the dip. He's going home. I'm going home. I might go to Joey's house. Andrew's gonna be in a video this week. I'm not sure which day, but we're gonna be working on this car. Get a little more camber, get it sitting a little bit lower, so stay ready for that content. And buddy, this is how you say goodbye.
Bro. Later.
Awesome. All right, see you later, Andrew. Andrew's hitting the dip right as the cop's pulling out over there. Man, you hate to see it. This cop is really just trying to bone us. I'm on my way home right now. My buddy Rob actually stopped by. He's waiting at the house for me, I think. He's got an 03 or 04 STI that he swapped, so he's got a clean shell. We're gonna check that car out. We might stop by Joey's house still. Joey didn't pick up his phone, so I wanted to just show up unannounced, and yeah, Rob's gonna be there, and I'm really excited for you guys to meet Rob. This car drives so straight. I was honestly afraid that the alignment wasn't gonna be the best because of how weird this car is, but it seems like Dean did a really good job. I really hope that the alignment holds, and yeah, this car is driving awesome. Absolutely awesome. As I just got home, parked up the tilted TDI, and we got big man Roberto in the clean body STI. So this car was originally silver up until about a month and a half ago or whenever. Rob got a clean shell, completely shelled it, painted it. Now he's got a clean body STI. The doors are off the original STI. What's going on, bud? I'm liking the haircut and the glasses. This man looks like he just came out of a movie.
I know.
Yo, Emily, stay away. I've got the Rona.
I don't, so.
I haven't left the house in like 3 months.
Oh, me either.
I stay safe. I stay strapped. You should have seen me at Mavis today. I was walking around like this. Swear to God, you should have seen me in there. I didn't get on video though. Roberto, I have to do a proper introduction to show you how we do it nowadays.
Oh, that's fucking great.
Emily. See you guys, that's how it's done. Dude, this thing is looking good.
You like it?
Oh yeah, how much you want for those front covers right there, the fog light covers?
You can't have it.
Look at this kid. Guys, this is a special moment. I haven't seen Rob about 6 months. You got the tilted TDI parked up here. Been talking to Rob and Emily for hours now. Hours. We already did our goodbyes, but I had to get the camera to do the foot tap. Wait.
Wait.
One more.
One more?
Oh my God.
There we go.
That's a good one.
Emily, I'll do lightly on you. Look at that. That was amazing. I will see you guys later, and thank you for coming. I hope you guys are excited to see more content with Andrew. Andrew's a really good friend of mine, and we're going to be adding some more camber and slamming his car way lower, and he's currently bagged, and that car is really sick. The tilted TDI is all clean. The alignment is amazing. We got high turning angle, and the car's covered in soot. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you comment down below I stayed. Also comment down below what kind of cars you guys are working on. I've been loving seeing these comments. Some of you guys have some real crazy things. I saw a kid comment that he had an Audi A4 with a TDI swap, which just sounded absolutely insane. It sounds dirty. If you guys want any ECS parts, hit the link in my description. That's my ECS link. My brother is pulling out the A4 right now. We're gonna go do some rips and the Audi A4. One of the locals. What the fuck is going on? Bunnies. Don't even put you down, keep smiling and just keep doing you. So I'm gonna head out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget about the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you subscribe, hit that post notification bell, follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and just keep ripping. Drive your cars, stay safe, and yeah, I'm just super excited, guys. So stay hyped for the videos this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Dean and Andrew. So I'm gonna go now. I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video if you enjoyed, share it to a friend, and have a great day. Okay. He's not camera shy, I swear.